friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are on episode 6 of our product reviews. Today we are working with different types of crochet hooks. So budget-friendly crochet hooks, not like the $70 set that you can get, but with just ones that you can find on Amazon. We're gonna see how they work out. I think these ones are supposed to be in this little bag, are supposed to be a little bit longer of a handle, and I know that was something that was asked previously, that we wanted to try and find longer crochet hooks that weren't Tunisian. So hopefully these ones are, they said they were. We'll see how it works. Hi guys, so today we are doing reviews on these hooks. I just got some budget sets of hooks. So this Susan Bates set, this one I believe was like $6 or $7 on Amazon, and that has a 3.75, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, and 6.5. So pretty much the standard hooks that you would need to use for a lot of your projects. It comes in this cute little case that I can't get it to stay closed, but maybe, I don't know, it keeps popping out of there, but that's okay. So we have this set of hooks, and then I also have this. This I believe was like $10. I'll have the information below for you. I didn't open it yet. But it comes with this little bag. There's a bunch of stuff inside of here too. Alright, so these are more ergonomic, it looks like. Comes with a little tape measure. Some scissors. Some more hooks. Stitch markers and plastic tapestry needles. So we'll put those away. So I was trying to find longer handled hooks. I had a bunch of people ask for those. Yeah, these are quite a bit longer. Look at that. Alright, so got my 6 and my 6mm. Yeah, that is quite a bit longer for a crochet hook. So, and they didn't want like Tunisian hooks, obviously. They just wanted like a regular crochet hook. So we will see. They are much longer than I thought they were gonna be. I was hoping they were. They said they were longer, but and they're smooth. They are metal. The ergonomic part of it's really nice. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice little hooks. I like them. They're not squishy or anything like that. They're not like, but they just have a nice grip. Nice ergonomics so my hands won't hurt. See, I like Susan Bates though because they're a little bit pointier. Just a little bit. And I prefer the point on my crochet hooks. I feel like it gets in stitches better. So that's a personal preference. I won't use Susan Bates if I'm using like fingering weight yarn because I'll end up splitting the yarn in half. But I like the Susan Bates hooks too. Yeah, they're both really smooth. So if you're needing just like a simple basic set of crochet hooks, I'm definitely gonna go with the Susan Bates set. They're a little bit cheaper than this whole kit that it came with. And I really like how lightweight they are. These ones don't tend to hurt my hands as bad as they probably could because they do bow out a little bit. Like they have this little part here. But these are very lightweight. They're very nice. I like the handle on them. They're super smooth. They're not quite as pointy. So depending on how you like the ends of your crochet hooks to be, they aren't quite as pointy. And these ones do come in more sizes. So we've got quite a few. Got a 2, 2.5, 3.5. Yeah, so we've got like a whole full set of hooks in here. And this is just a couple of them. But like I said, most of the hooks that come in this kit here for Susan Bates are the sizes that you're going to need for most of your projects, especially when you're just starting out. I know I have a ton of different sets of crochet hooks because as you
grow as a crocheter, you tend to collect more hooks. So, I mean, either set is going to be really good. I am very impressed with how much longer these handles are. It's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, and I know that'll help a lot of you guys with your hands and any hand pain that you have. So comment below, let me know if there's another type of hook that you want me to review, if you're looking at expensive hooks or hook sets or cheap hooks, middle of the road hook, whatever ones you want. Just let me know and comment below with the names of them. I'll find them, buy them, and we'll try them out over here. I hope you guys liked this video, and let me know if you have any other thoughts or questions, and all the information will be in the description below. Bye guys!